My name is Barry Pott for Sandy Hook Yachts. I'm focused in the New Jersey office, but I'm a vice president of sales for national, including Florida, Charleston, and everything in between. And hands down, Marex is definitely at the top as far as quality, attention to detail, and how clean a facility it is to make a product like this. I would say the care that the employees have here is notable. Everybody is a very clean workspace. Everyone is shoes off or soft sole shoes. The boat is not cluttered with tools or adhesives. Everything is clean and put away nicely. I mean, definitely top notch. Being at multiple facilities, I could see what a entry-level boat is built with and what a top-notch boat is built with. We're definitely on the high-end side. All the best materials, all the best gel coats. Vacuum bagging process is obviously #1 and most important. It has to be vacuum bagged because you're being made with the best materials and the best ratio of products. You're gonna want the best electrical system so that the ease of use. Layout is obviously important. The ergonomics of how you're gonna use the boat, how you're gonna walk through the boat, how you're gonna entertain, how many guests are you gonna sleep, which will also dictate on what, not only what model, but what layout do you want. Do you want a gourmet cruiser, Scandinavian, 2 stateroom, 3 stateroom? So, I'd say the quality of the product you're getting and how you're gonna use it. Swim platform on the 440 is fantastic. The gourmet cruiser platform on the 440 is like the biggest galley I've ever seen on a sub 50-foot boat. And then to pair the last two, I would say twin awnings on every model and the enclosure canopy in the back. The way that you could open it and close it manually within, less than a minute, and you could turn a 3-season boat into a 4-season boat like that. It depends on which power you go for and really what drives. So if it's gonna be, I've driven all from the straight shaft to stern drive to the pod boats on the 440s. I think all have pros and cons, but I would say for all the models, I feel like it's a very sturdy boat, extremely quiet. Seeing these boats in pieces, it's insulated really well. So it's a quiet riding boat. The woodwork is super tight, so you don't hear a lot of creaks and scratches while you're driving. But I like joystick, so I prefer any of the stern drive DPI or pod boats for the joystick. I like the pods on the 440. I feel like it's a very flat running boat. She doesn't stand up as much like shafts. There's benefits to it, but I just love the pods and the DPIs. I think it's a flat running, quiet boat, and the maneuverability is unmatched. I love Lithuania. I love...
Thank you.
Thank you.